In its relatively short lifetime, digital media has undergone many evolutions, moving quickly from a world of manual negotiations and insertion orders through to ad networks, ad exchanges, and most recently, programmatic buying. When we say programmatic, we mean the automated buying of digital media. This includes real-time buying, where impressions are bought and sold in milliseconds on live trading exchanges. It's a lightning-quick world that is here to stay. There are lots of moving parts in the programmatic space, roughly grouped into 4 areas. There's inventory. This is the ad space available throughout exchanges, networks, the private marketplace, and direct with publishers. Then there's the technology companies. Think of these as stockbrokers, demand-side platforms which matchmake inventory to the most relevant buyer in real time. There's data. This is the trail of breadcrumbs that people leave as they move across the web, and there's a lot of it. And lastly, there's reporting. This is the crunching and analysis of raw data to unlock powerful insights and take campaign performance to the next level. All of these parts are necessary, but as yet none of them are fully synced, meaning it is difficult to manage a single audience across the digital universe. To get the best performance, you need to use multiple DSPs because they're good at different things, which means huge strain on time and resource as planners manually build, run, and report on campaigns across multiple systems. This can't go on. Media agencies and their clients need a smarter way of executing digital campaigns. Over the last few years, Media Brands has invested significantly in talent and resource to solve this problem. Our expert team of technologists, programmers, and data scientists joined forces with some of the smartest companies in Silicon Valley to pioneer an unparalleled one-stop programmatic solution. We then validated it with no less than Microsoft, our client and global launch partner. And today, we are proud to share with you Cadreon. Cadreon is a single campaign management platform that sits above all the moving parts. We like to call her the motherboard because she helps to manage all the different components of a digital campaign and, under the watchful eye of experienced planners, make intelligent cross-buying decisions based solely on hitting campaign objectives. These are the 3 steps to the way she works. First, she finds your audience, and we mean really finds them. This can be the actual person who has visited your site and is now elsewhere online, or the digital archetype you want to target. Typically, you might buy a broad, unfiltered audience, or blanket websites where you think they might be found. With Cadreon, you can cherry-pick your audience to a really micro level, from attitudes and behaviours to psychographics and geography. Using our proprietary code Total Tag, we can effectively manage your data and stitch it to third-party data to build a rich portrait of your target's total online behaviour. Really smart. Second, once Cadreon has zeroed in on the target, she buys this audience in real time wherever they may be, in an auction-style environment. The buying process is dynamic. Cadreon knows when and how much to bid for the audiences that are more important to you, meaning less wastage and more intelligent allocation of your budget. Last, she validates and optimizes the audience for better results, so that over time she becomes more and more efficient with your campaigns. It's a lot of science, but there's also art. We apply human intelligence to everything we do. From setup and strategy to switching tactics, testing and learning, every campaign has the benefit of an experienced pilot at the controls. We never hit cruise control and let the algorithm run. We fine-tune every day to ensure the campaign, whether it's acquisition, brand building, traffic driving, or pure performance, is safe, makes sense, and delivers exceptional ROI.